Dumpster rental service in Greater New York. Need a reliable dumpster rental service in Greater New York? D&A Contracting is your go-to solution. Whether tackling a residential cleanup, managing a construction project, or planning a commercial renovation, having the right dumpster can make waste disposal quick and hassle-free. At D&A Contracting, we offer various dumpster sizes to suit any job. No matter the scale of your project, we ensure you'll have the perfect container to handle the debris efficiently. From small home cleanouts to large-scale construction work, we have the right dumpster to fit your needs. Our flexible rental periods allow you to keep the dumpster for as long as you need, so you can complete your project at your own pace without feeling rushed. We pride ourselves on timely delivery and pickup, helping your waste management process stay smooth and efficient from start to finish. Are you worried about permits? Our experienced staff is here to guide you through local requirements and ensure your rental complies with all regulations. For dependable dumpster rental service in Greater New York, call D&A Contracting at 973-809-3846 today. Our friendly team is ready to help you find the right solution for your waste disposal needs. Let us make cleanup easy.